influential English language school, our main goal is to provide students with high-quality English classes at the lowest cost possible. Through our dedicated and highly qualified teachers, we give learners a unique opportunity to improve their language skills. We offer a range of options for students. Our General English course is perfect for those who want to improve all aspects of the language. We also offer the IELTS, International English Language Testing System. We have evening classes to suit students who work during the day, as well as live online courses for distance learners. Our philosophy is to ensure that the learning experience is enjoyable and students leave us with better job prospects and increased confidence.
The teacher is amazing, he's very professional, and the class is really funny.
The atmosphere, I think everyone is very nice, you can talk to each other, you can practice your English. It's a good combination between learning and have fun.
Book your free class today on our website and begin your journey to improve confidence when speaking English.